Okay, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do today. I don't really have anything planned, but I know this little munchkin, Zoe, needs dog food. So, oh yeah, I love this banner, by the way. Thank you, Corrupt. I love you. So I know that to get into stores, you need a mask. So here's what I'm thinking. I'll catch you guys in a second. So I'm probably gonna go into the store, and you know, I don't want to get anyone sick, so it's all about safety first at this point. Like I know what I mean. So if I have to wear a mask to get into the store, fuck it. I guess that's what I have to do. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys at the store. Fuck it. Hey man, some people just ain't fucking with the mask. What can I say? I'm just trying to pick up some dill pickles. Bro, I swear, homie just can't get enough. Can I help you? All right, okay, all right. Some people just ain't fucking with the mask, and you know, frankly, I just ain't about it. Okay, dog. I come bearing dog food. So here you go, eat up. Okay, so I don't know which vlog it was, but I do remember specifically saying, let's go turbo in S10 in this clip. So, yeah. Alright, let's turbo in S10. So, now we're actually on our way to go turbo in S10. It is currently 10 in the morning. I just woke up maybe 5 minutes ago, so I apologize if I look tired. It's because I fucking am. But yeah, we're about to head over to Zach's and finish up the turbo on the S10, and I guess I will catch you guys there. Alright Zach, where are we going?
We are on our way to go get some intake piping for my turbo.
PVC piping. Zach, this is a funny way to spell turbo piping section. Yeah, so like, is this where like the extra large turbo pipes are?
Sure is, right here.
Sick. Turbo. So Zach, how exactly are you gonna fit that PVC pipe?
Well, the good thing is I got a Honda, right?
Uh-huh.
And they put this special feature for
Okay.
this special occasion.
Okay.
Especially when your hands are full.
Okay.
You're able to just
Oh,
open her up.
wow.
And then,
So this would be great if we just, you know, put it in the S10. Oh, wait.
oh wait, it's getting turboed
Jesus
with PVC piping. It works.
Fuck it. Alright, Zach, so show me where the turbo is on this. Show me the setup we're running.
Well, if you come back here.
And you gotta love the quick release doors.
Yeah, those things are mint. Come back here, it's very, very discreet and very hidden. She up underneath here. She's right there. And I got the oil lines already ran. This is my high pressure oil line. That's my low pressure up here going back to the motor. This is the exhaust pipe coming to, and then I got the intake going back up to the front of the truck. And if you come up here up underneath the hood,
This is where the magic happens.
this is where all the magic happens.
Nice, nice.
Not really.
Where's the magic
It's in the
happen?
back. It's not really right here. That's the rest of the intake.
Is that
And
a titanium piping?
Sure is. Sure is.
Nice,
My
nice.
next piece of pipe coming here and right there. And then it's going to be perfect, and it's going to make a whole bunch of spoolie noises, and I'm going to be happy.
All right, let's get this thing done.
We're going to get her done.
Hell yeah. What you doing there, Zach?
Making some pipe.
Hell yeah.
Now she's
Alright.
golden.
So it's officially turboed.
It's turboed.
Alright, we gonna get that first start up?
Yeah, boy.
Is it ready for startup?
Kinda, sorta.
Kinda, sorta?
Kinda, sorta.
Should I be worried?
No.
Should I stand near the turbo for the startup?
You can.
Alright, I will. You know there's oil coming out of your turbo, right?
Huh?
There's oil coming out of your turbo.
No, that's not oil.
That's not oil?
That's
What?
condensation. Condensation.
Black condensation?
Heck yeah, buddy. No, that's oil. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Oh my god! The boost kicked in! Holy shit!
Is this one of them there fancy turbo whistles you slap on the end of your exhaust?
Sure is.
Oh my god. The fucking flutter! I'm no expert, Zach, but that doesn't look good.
Toasty.
Toasty. Alright. I don't think engine, like the smoke's supposed to come out of the engine bay, is it?
Sometimes.
Typically not.
Usually no. Sometimes, yeah.
What's the scoop, Liv? What's the scoop?
I'm fucking drawing and this shit's pissing me off.
Sorry, I just need an outro, so you're the outro for today.
I'm a what?
The outro before it cuts to the end card.
Oh.
Quick, say some dumb shit.
I fucking hate my life.
Get the fuck out of my way. Don't give a fuck, they gon' I just might go super saiyan. Give me a sack of my bag. Nigga running up on me is a mistake.